Hey, Cottonwood Leaders, this is Scott. Just letting you know a little bit about our SMS Pro program that we have here. This is a texting, mobile marketing, solution, and it works out really good. This program costs a one-time fee of actually $47, and then it's only a penny per text that would actually, go out. But this is kind of interesting. It's a great way to actually look at the program. Very simple to use and stuff. And so if you take a look at the actually dashboard here, this is what the dashboard, you have your total, subscribers and everything else like that. And here you can kind of have a nice little indication as far as what's going on a regular basis. Campaign, if you want to add a campaign, you just click on here, you put the actually title in here. You can put Cottonwood connect in here. You type the keyword connect, and then select a phone number too, that you kind of go through and stuff like that. And then you can also do Hello, leaders of Cottonwood here. Say this is Scott. I just wanted to briefly go through our SMS Pro texting platform that we can get for the Ashley Church to really help enhance our connection with church members and also new people that actually, come in and want to stay connected to our church. This SMS Pro platform, it runs a one-time fee of $50. That's it. And then we just get charged a penny per text. Nice about that. If you look at $100, that's 10,000 texts that we can send out. So $100 could probably cover the entire year with the different texts and stuff like that. But it's a great way for people to connect and actually stay involved in the church. I want to briefly go through how this thing works. Works out great. You click on add a campaign here. This is what actually pops up. You can actually create as many campaigns as you want. We would have this as a connection to let people know about upcoming events and activities in the church. So you put the campaign title in here, your keyword, and then your phone number that you can choose. So we get one that's in the 701 area code. Works out good. And then our campaign message, just something like this: welcome to Cottonwood Connection. We will send out text messages letting you know about upcoming events and activities in the church. We have 131 characters to actually use on that. Now we can receive notifications if we want. We can put our phone number in there or someone's phone number, and just to let us know about those people that are getting involved in it and opting into this. Or we can also do follow-up messages. So we can have another message coming out maybe 2 days later, and we can pick the actual time that it that it goes out to. Noon is a pretty good time, and just say, hey, thanks for it was a great Sunday and stuff. Just kind of remind you, next Sunday we have so and so preaching and stuff, and we just wanted to, maybe you can invite a friend or something like that. Just some different things that we could do. You can add these things all the way up to actually 99 days in here of a follow-up system, and have as many as you want. And you could charge only a penny for each text, but it's a good way to follow up on it. Let me share with you a little bit about where we can schedule a broadcast. This is really interesting. We have a campaign message for our records here. So we can just put Cottonwood Blast, marriage, conference. And then you can actually schedule it. This is the best thing. You can schedule it all the way out as long as you want. Say we got it coming up in February. We want to remind somebody in January here, January 7th. We can send a text out maybe like at 10 a.m. And then with a phone number, click the phone number on it, and then select a campaign. Then you select which campaign. So it'll be the the Cottonwood Connection campaign. And then you do a text here. And just kind of want to remind you guys that we have the upcoming marriage conference coming up. Click here for a link to the website to get registered right there on our website. And then we hit save. Nice about that is that it gets sent out at that exact day. So we can set this up if we know different things that are coming up. We can actually set up these text blasts out to different people. Works out fantastic. We also have another thing here. It's called a voice broadcast, and you can do the exact same thing and send that out. But you can do a voice. Somebody could say, "Hey, we got something going on. Introduce something to the church or whatever." Very simple to do, and then we can actually find out when we want to really do it too. So this is what we have here. It actually goes through different things and how to load up the names and everything else like that. Very simple program. I'm using it for my business. Looking forward to working with it. But I thought this would be a great way for the church to really stay connected to Cottonwood members and also new people coming to the church. If you have any questions, call me at 701-885-5193. Thanks and have a great day.